pictures? Cool.
I'm just doing a time-lapse video.
Oh, okay. I was gonna be, that would be so cool. That's a live cam.
That would be cool.
Mm-hmm.
Talk about life.
We were saying what good TV they are.
Oh, guys, you're on the mirror. You're so big.